Guys, so today we had this BMW Series 3 for dashcam for rear and front. So we actually fitted the rear dashcam, which you can see. There will be only little wire you can see, and this one we fit on the front. So it has a camera so there is a camera where you can see the rear ones, and this phone control, so you can actually use it through a phone as well. So this is how we done the wiring. You can only see two wires, and then it goes inside this small piece, and it goes all the way through the back. So basically you cannot see any wirings. If you want a dash cam, or if you want anything that is related to wirings or anything, you can contact us. We can get you sorted. So the dash cam is fully fitted. You cannot actually see it. So it will be hidden behind the rear camera for the driver, and for the passenger it's only a little view, because this thing is already touching the wiper, the mirror cap. So it's actually good there. So if you want something to be get it done, or if you want dashcam or anything to fit it by us, just contact on YouTube, or just put a comment, or just DM on Instagram. We'll book you in for that. So yeah, thank you for that. Bye bye.